Hello, today I would like to show you how we can clone our disk. Okay, let's see how we can totally copy a disk to another disk. Okay, I will switch on the laptop. It is a Hewlett Packard, so I have to press escape sometimes. If it is a Dell, you have to press F12. Okay, I have already inserted another disk of Hiren's in the laptop. So I press escape because it is a Hewlett Packard, and then press F9 to choose boot device options. And after that I will choose to start with the DVD. Okay. It is Windows 10, so I will choose Wi-Fi. Right? So this is the Hiren's Windows scenario, and I have this new SSD disk. I am just connecting in the USB, and I can choose the following menu: all programs, hard disk tools, imaging, and I will choose this Lazesoft disk image and clone. And what would I like? I would like clone disk. Just give me some seconds to inform you about this drive to image or image to drive, because we have a whole lab doing this all day. I have some clients which are enterprises or universities, and I have some disks that are very important to function all day. So I am installing sometime the Windows or Linux or whatever the client wants to his disk, and then I make this drive to images clone. So I have another disk that I have all the images in this disk. I keep my drives, many drives. In this disk maybe I have 20 different clones that are images, and then I can convert the image to drive again if the drive of my client is broken or something. Okay, so you can also save a drive to an image after you make the perfect installation of your programs. But now let's see the clone disk. I would like to make a clone of this disk that I have in the laptop. So the first step is to select the source disk. The next step is to choose the destination disk. You see it's USB device, it's totally empty. I choose it and press next button. You know, the destination disk that I use now, it's smaller, much smaller. It's 256 gigabytes, but the source disk is 500 gigabytes. So no problem, because the disk was not very highly used, and I can just fit partitions to the entire disk. Okay, so the disks are properly fulfilled if I press these fit partitions. Press next, I can see a preview of what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's open the lower face of the laptop to take off the old disk and put the new one. Okay. It's pretty easy because it's just several screws. Be careful because these new HPs use screws below these tabs, so let's remind us to take these also. Be careful of the length of the screw. All the screws are the same length of this specific model. No problem, man. One last one. And then let's be careful that we don't harm the palm rest. It's plastic, it's very easy to break some connectors. It's the best opportunity now to clean the processors and all this dust. You know, maybe we'll do this also. Oh God. I hope I haven't forgotten something. The VGA port is a little bit difficult to get off. Oh, this is it. So, perfect. Let's take it off. So everything is ready. Oh, I can see that this laptop, this model uses probably low, it's low voltage, so there is no fan. So there is no fan, there is no high density of dust in the laptop, so there's no need to take it off. Maybe in another video we will see how we'll take off the fan and this coverage of the processor, and maybe we can clean the dust and change this thermal paste of the processor. Okay, so I can put the cover again. I will put the cover again, and just I would like to switch on the computer and just see that the clone was successfully done, and after that I will put all the screws again back. Okay, now I can just, you know, because now there are no screws under the hinges, you have to be very careful, because maybe you will break the display hinges. So let me open it slowly and put my hands onto both. Okay, it's very, and all these new laptops have very sensitive hinges here. So I will switch on again. I can see this cycling thing, so it's going okay. Slowly close it. I want to press all these clips. And let's put again back all the screws. So that was it. Thanks for watching. I will be very glad to answer any questions or get inspired for some new video. Bye.